Hi guys, welcome to the Caribbeans. Oops, welcome to my kitchen. I am Emma from ImmaculateBites.com. Get ready to take your taste buds all the way to the Caribbean with this Caribbean rice and beans. What makes this dish enticing is the coconut milk and a touch of creole seasoning, which deepens the flavor of the rice. This recipe is quick and easy and simply delicious. Let me show you how to put everything together. First, we start by prepping all the ingredients. Dice your onions. Next, I'm going to chop the thyme, set it aside. Now I'm going to mince my garlic. Heat a saucepan with a 1/4 cup of oil. Then add onions, garlic, thyme, Scotch bonnet pepper. For my heat seekers, 1 Scotch bonnet pepper is not going to be enough. Add in 2 or 3, or whatever rocks your boat. It's your rice. Make it the way you want. Cook for about a minute. Stir in the rice, followed by the beans. Cook for about 2 minutes. Throw in the bay leaf, bouillon powder, creole seasoning. Adding creole seasoning is not traditional. Leave it out if it's not your thing. Continue stirring for about a minute. Pour in the coconut milk and chicken stock. Salt and pepper to taste. Bring it to a boil, reduce the heat, let it simmer for about 18 to 20 minutes covered. This smells so delicious, guys. I'm gonna plate this and have a taste test. I am ready to taste. This rice is just covered in spice and so flavorful. This recipe is one of my favorite ways of enjoying rice and beans. If you're entertaining Caribbean style, this is a must. Your guests are going to go crazy over it. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a huge thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.